Okay, we're back. We're still troubleshooting why our brake motor and the brake motor for the pitch system is not engaging correctly. One thing we did to troubleshoot that, we came back here to the zip link relay board. Here, if you see the wires, these wires coordinate with our terminal connection strip. These wires are ran under the zip link to the terminal connection board. Right here are all your relays for your motors. It's very easy to pop these things in and out. This breaks the connection. And basically all you do, notice it's just the relay. You know, there's all your connection points. It goes right in there, pops right in, and then you can secure them. I'm running it with the remote. You secure them just like that. But in our troubleshooting, we needed those to be disengaged. So we popped them out, and now when you operate the remote, nothing operates but our brakes. These next three relays are going to be brakes. The black, blue, brown, they also should coordinate with the paperwork that we sent you. But black, blue, brown are these three brakes here. We left those engaged so we can test to see once we hit the button on our RF transmitter, we want them to all simultaneously engage. So we just switched the wires around. We've got our relays for our motors disengaged, so the motors will not spin until we put these back in. So let's go around front and see what happens. Okay, right here is our motors. You should actually hear them on the video. We're gonna see if we can get really, really quiet here. And I'm gonna engage the RF transmitter. Let's see if they all work simultaneously. Okay, looks like it went to me. Let's do it a couple more times to make sure we're not hearing any off break. Let's do it again here. Well, I don't know about you guys, but it looks like we fixed the problem. So if you have any issues with your brakes not engaging, or if they engage at the same time as the motor spinning, a good idea is to check continuity. Make sure that you break the circuit. You want to also make sure that you disengage your motors.
Hit the brake and then
hit the
manually turn each one. That's
hit
how
the
to
brake.
for sure.
Here's another thing: you can manually.
If you hit this,
if you hit this brake, the brake should lock. You should not be able to turn that. It has no play. If that moves, then your brakes are not working. So I'm gonna open the brake and show you what it looks like. Here, we can actually move it. I've disengaged the brakes. So this is a time that after hitting that RF transmitter, the motor would actually spin if we had the relay still connected, okay? So it's spinning right now. This is what would happen. They would all simultaneously disengage and the motor would spin. Now when I stop it, now that stops the pitch, the motor should lock, and they're locked. You can't move those anywhere. So it looks like we narrowed down the problem. And if you have this issue, double check continuity, remove your relays from the pitch system, the zip link drive, and check continuity. And if that doesn't work, then we'll get back with you and see what else does. Thank you. Be right back.